Getting started.
1. Listen and read.
Hi, Foop. Where's Mai? Isn't she coming?
She said she was too tired and didn't want to go out. She's been staying up late studying for the exam.
Does she need to be that stressed out?
Maybe not. But my parents always expect her to get good grades, and she doesn't want to disappoint them. They want her to go to a top college and study medicine.
Really? She told me she wanted to be a designer.
Yes, that's why she's been a bit tense lately. She doesn't know what to do. My parents said design graduates wouldn't find jobs easily, and they wanted her to get a medical degree.
Oh, I understand. Sometimes I wish my parents could put themselves in my shoes.
Anyway, mine needs to take a break. I'll call and ask her if she wants to go and see a film with us tomorrow.
Oh, I doubt it. She's already fully booked for the weekend with her maths class, English class, judo class and music lesson.